Hi everyone, I'm Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we have got the second part of your lecture number 164 where we'll be talking more about degrees of adjective which are known as comparative, positive and superlative. So today we have got the topic that is more and most, which we'll be talking about. More and most are used, as I told you, with your adjectives. How do we use them? Let's look at the statement. Those adjectives which have got two or more than two syllables, and syllables we have already discussed in the previous lectures, which you can see in part 1. We talked about the syllables, that divided unit or part of a word according to vowel sound is called syllable. Over here we will be talking about just comparative and superlative degrees, how you are going to form them. So we will be just talking about the same today. Now, so those adjectives which have got two or more than two syllables are made comparative by putting adverbs more and less. They are used, these are the adverbs which you are going to use. More and less. More and less are the opposite of one another. And for superlative degrees of adjective, we'll be putting adverbs most and least, and most and least are opposite of one another, and these are used when your adjective has got two or more than two syllables. First example is beautiful. It is having three syllables, so with that you will not say beautifuler, beautifulest, you will say beautiful. In comparative degree you will say more beautiful, and then you will say most beautiful. So beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. After that we have got the opposite of comparative degree in more, so that is less. Beautiful, less beautiful, least beautiful, means the ugly. After that we have got expensive, more expensive, most expensive, and the opposite for that is expensive, less expensive, least expensive. And instead of less you can use lesser as well. So the next adjective we have got comfortable. Comfortable. It has got four syllables, so you will put more and less in comparative, most and least in superlative degrees. So you will say comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable, comfortable, less comfortable, least comfortable. Now one note is there: less and least can be used in place of more and most to mean that this thing is lesser than that. Like I told you, they are the opposite of one. If I say beautiful, more beautiful, most. If I say beautiful, less beautiful. Comparing, it means it is not that beautiful as it is. And least beautiful means ugliest in the, you could say that in all. Example, E is less intelligent is equal to E is not more intelligent than you, means over there, then it gives the meaning of not in more. And one thing should be noticed, that this is the least expensive car in our showroom, and there is no any less expensive car than this, means it is the least expensive car. So least means we don't have that cheap more than that. Yes. Next note we have got, that is more can be used in front of some adverbs like slowly, fast, carefully. You drive more, you need to drive more carefully. So this is what you can use them with these adverbs like slowly, fast, carefully, quietly and seriously, etc. And one another note, we usually use then after comparative adjectives. Keep in your mind, usually means 80%, and 80% you will be using then in comparative degrees. And example is E is more intelligent than him, and Ziyarat is colder than Quetta. So then is used in order to differentiate the both, that he is more intelligent than you, than him, and Ziyarat is colder than Quetta. So this is usage of more and most with the comparative and superlative degrees which are having two or more than two syllables. So hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with the third part, and goodbye.